Bitcoin is all-time high, guys. Welcome to this video, and I'm going to tell you that Bitcoin is all-time high. Right now, Bitcoin is trading 22,690. Well, just increased to 22,728 and about 15% of increase. And if we can see that the blow of top was 24,000 almost. I will repeat, 23,950 US dollar to be exact. Bitcoin is topping up. Bitcoin is moving. Ethereum is moving. It's all-time high. Bitcoin is all-time high for 2020. Congratulations to everybody who was holding Bitcoin for all these 3 years in the bear market, and now this is a time to take profit and this is a time to make money. If you want to know more about Bitcoin and technical analysis and some news, so let's check this out. Welcome to this another episode of Crypto Guy, and in this episode I'm gonna tell you guys that congratulations to everyone who have bought Bitcoin even in last week, last day. You are all guys in profit, and the top was about 24,000, 23,800 to be exact, and at this moment Bitcoin is trading 22,616. If we go and have a quick look on fear and greed index, is 92. Is extreme greed at the moment. People is forming in, big institutions and companies are coming in. And if we can go and see a quick view on coin market cap today, you can see the market is up. Markets are up about 14%. This means billions of dollar. Right now is 647 billion dollar market of crypto cap. It's a lot, and I am very amazed to see that how Bitcoin worked and how Bitcoin pumped. I mean, everybody was ready for this point, and even if 7 days you have invested in 7 days, you already have 24 to 25% return on your investment. In last 24 hours, if you have even bought the Bitcoin, you are still up 15%. Just in last 24 hours, you are up on 15%. Ethereum is up about 11%, 7 days. And all you can see that XRP is pumping, all the coins are also falling. Bitcoin, Chainlink, other Polkadot, even like Bitcoin SV, Stellar, Monero. I mean, all the coins are pumping at the moment, and definitely that can be an indication that it's there be a all season after this Bitcoin pump. But just to guys, you tell you remind that there can be a correction anytime sooner. There can be a correction about 30 to 40%. There can be a correction that Bitcoin will come back and touch 20 weekly moving average, which is about somewhere here. This is even in 1 hour. If we come back and we touch 21,000, but this is time to celebrate. This is time to take profit. This is time to hold the Bitcoin even to 30,000 at a moment. So if you guys are buying Bitcoin or you want to selling Bitcoin, I think Coinbase is already been down a couple of times. Even Binance was down, but Coinbase Pro is a good option. You can also trade on Binance, because if you want to put in fiat and want to buy or want to sell Bitcoin, leave the Coinbase and try to use Coinbase Pro. If we come and see technical analysis of Bitcoin, I mean, I am amazed. It's amazing like how Bitcoin is pumping, and I have told you guys whenever we on the above this 20 weekly moving average, we are on bull run and it's bull territory. And here you can see that it started from 19,500 and it goes until 24,000, almost 23,800. I mean, if you have been longing this period, I mean, this you have gained massive gain. I close all of my position because I think that can be a blow off top, and here you can see that hammer candles are coming down. I will not say it's a good short possibility at the moment, but that's how it looks like. If we go on 1 week chart, we can see we are all above it. And if we go and RSI is oversold, if we go on 1 day chart, you can see that we are also above. RSI is oversold. And if we can come back, I think we can easily come and touch 19,000 again in my perspective, but when, nobody knows. It can take days and weeks. And even if you say 4 hour chart, I think this will be a very good entry point again of about 20,000, so we can easily go and touch 20,000 again. But first of all, we have to see on 1 hour chart, and if we can see that we having start seeing a little bit bearish diversion here, and the block top was 23,800, and now it come back, and even if it come back we can easily come 21,800. And because RSI is overbought, it's below top, and you can see the MACD is also oversold. And now I think time to be a cool down, but it's Bitcoin, guys, you never know, it can go and pump one more time. But congratulations to everybody that you had bought the Bitcoin whatever the time meant. That people are saying that buy the Bitcoin, I say yes, buy the Bitcoin, do dollar cost average. If you haven't seen my dollar cost average, go and check my dollar cost average. If you want to trade, go and check my Phoenix trading tutorial. It will be popping up somewhere here where you can go and trade Phoenix. Use my link, that helps a lot. So I'm telling you guys that even when you bought Bitcoin, it doesn't matter when, you are in profit. So keep holding, try to be safe. This is a very volatile area, so trading can be, try to save and be safe trading at this point. Okay, so here we have Ethereum US dollar chart, and here you can see it's 4-hour chart, and it's going very bullish here, and the block top was 670. I mean, that's amazing. I was expecting to be go about 650, 640. I closed all of my long positions. And if you want to know more about long position, email me or send me a message on Twitter. I will definitely want to discuss with you more, guys. But keep longing it, and now there's a point to be a cool down. I mean, this is Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum will definitely follow it. But right now Bitcoin is cooling down, so it means that Ethereum will also come down a little bit. If we go and see on 1-hour chart, I think that would be a good re-entry point at 638. If you want to go for long position, you can definitely go and long it from here, and you can see that RSI been overbought, MACD is overbought, but everything is very bullish at the moment. Anything can happen. It can go and break 700 at this point, but in bearish target, if we come back, I think it would be a cooling period, would be 638. And if you could talk about 4-hour chart, it would be 609. So 600 38 will be a best time of 640, but also remember that this is also increasing by time. But keep an eye on 20 weekly moving average, and in short, it's everything is very bullish, and you have to be trade with very caution. If you want to trade, follow my Phoenix link as well, and you can see my Phoenix YouTube tutorial as well. Talk about some crypto news, and here you can see that everything is all-time high and very bullish. And the first news I would like to share is Bitcoin drops nearly 7% after setting new record high of 23,770. I mean, that insane, guy. And I mean, Bitcoin have 2,000 candles in one day, even 1,000 candles in few hours, and that's the volatility I'm talking about. That Bitcoin is very volatile at the moment, and it can go up and it can also come down in the same pace. And definitely I'm expecting that Bitcoin will definitely go on the 30,000 in January if we have the same bull run, as we have already told that bull run is started. If you want to go and have a look on this one, Bitcoin surged a new record high above 23,000 earlier on Thursday before quickly falling back by over 1,500 US dollar. The cryptocurrency dropped from all-time high to 22,185 in roughly 30 minutes. So I mean, this is a drop about 7. That can be a small correction, and that can also lay off and wreck all the high leverage trades. So that's why I'm talking you guys that always be a time to get in the trade when there is it's falling up, like until here or even go more down. And another roofer investment confirmed massive Bitcoin buy of 744 million, and that's what I'm saying is a UK base which confirmed that tremendous Bitcoin investment from November in an email to CoinDesk Wednesday. And as you can see, guys, that there is an institution money is coming up, institutional FOMO is coming up. Not even people are buying, but institutions are also buying, and that's what I was talking to you guys, that this is the real FOMO hit, and Bitcoin price definitely go to the moon. I think for today is all. Be safe, keep pumping Bitcoin and take your profit. And if you want to follow to do some trading, you can also follow my Phoenix trade. And one more time, congratulations to everybody who is holding Bitcoin, and definitely we are going to the moon, and in January it's gonna be 30,000. So stay tuned. Until that, take care and bye bye.